Understand the basics of affiliate marketing. Before you start, it's important to understand how affiliate marketing works and what it involves. This includes understanding the different types of affiliate programs, how commissions are earned, and how to track your performance. Choose the right products or services to promote. Not all products or services are created equal when it comes to affiliate marketing. It's important to choose products or services that align with your interests and those that have a proven track record of success. Build a strong online presence. Affiliate marketing requires a strong online presence, including a website or blog, social media accounts, and an email list. Building a strong online presence will help you reach more potential customers and increase your chances of success. Learn about search engine optimization and content marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO, and content marketing are crucial for driving traffic to your website and promoting your affiliate products or services. The more visible your website is, the more likely people will click on your affiliate links. Be transparent and disclose your affiliate relationships. It is important to be transparent about your affiliate relationships and to disclose them in accordance with the Federal Trade Commission guidelines. Monitor and track your performance. Regularly monitoring and tracking your performance is important for understanding what is working and what isn't, so you can make adjustments as needed. Be patient. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build a successful affiliate marketing business, so be prepared to put in the work and be patient. Join us and get other great tips at profitwithrich.com/freedom.